Have you ever witnessed massive hailstorms attacking the world like they were trying to knock everything down? From Japan to the USA and across the vast fields of Argentina, hailstorms have caused unbelievable scenes. Ice stones fell from the sky, smashing windows, destroying crops, and leaving people in shock. Let's take a look at the terrifying power of Mother Nature when she gets angry through the footage below. A powerful weather front that swept through the Kano and Chubu regions was part of a larger meteorological pattern that had been affecting Japan for several days. This particular front intensified over the area as it interacted with warm, moist air masses, creating ideal conditions for severe thunderstorms and the formation of hail. The convective activity, combined with the unstable atmosphere, led to the development of massive cumulonimbus clouds towering over the region, unleashing violent winds and heavy hail. The convective activity, combined with the unstable atmosphere, led to the development of massive cumulonimbus clouds towering over the region, unleashing violent winds and heavy hail. Some streets became completely impassable due to fallen trees and the accumulation of hail, which, in some areas, created a scene more reminiscent of a winter landscape despite the summer season. A violent hailstorm tore through the Quail Springs Mall area in Oklahoma City, leaving a trail of destruction in its wake, particularly in the mall's parking lot. Many shoppers, who had been busy inside the mall, returned to find their vehicles battered by the unexpected onslaught. Several cars sustained deep dents, while others had their windshields shattered, especially the rear windows, due to the sheer intensity of the storm. At least 2 vehicles suffered severe damage, with one relieved owner expressing gratitude for not being inside the car when the hail hit. In nearby residential areas, the hail caused significant damage to rooftops, compounding the storm's overall impact on the community. Local authorities, including city officials, issued warnings about the importance of selecting reputable roofing contractors as repairs began. We have many excellent roofers, one official noted, but be sure to ask for references and ensure a detailed contract. Contractors in the state are required to register with the Construction Industries Board, guaranteeing that they have proper insurance and meet basic business standards. As the community worked to recover from the storm, additional consumer protection advice was expected to be provided in the coming days, offering further assistance to those affected by the sudden event. The hailstones, some as large as golf balls, combined with winds reaching 60 to 80 miles per hour, posed the greatest threat to central Oklahoma on Tuesday evening. Another impressive hailstorm struck the town of Chajari, located in the province of Entre Rios, Argentina, catching the residents completely off guard. The weather changed suddenly, with the sky quickly darkening, and then, along with strong winds, large hailstones the size of a palm began to fall. These hailstones pummeled rooftops, vehicles, and vegetation with significant force, accumulating in some areas to a thickness of several centimeters. This hailstorm posed a serious threat to the region's agricultural land, with the potential to cause extensive damage to crops. While local residents sought shelter from the storm, a few brave individuals managed to capture the extraordinary event on video. The size of the hailstones and the severity of the storm were noted as unusual meteorological phenomena for the area. The storm's unexpected timing, especially at this time of year, highlighted the increasing effects of climate change, particularly in agricultural hubs like Chijari. Such storms can have direct consequences for the local economy, and while hailstorms are common in Argentina during the spring and summer months, one of this magnitude is considered rare. The parking lots were transformed into temporary lakes as heavy rain mixed with large hailstones, damaging car windows and causing substantial material damage. Car owners scrambled to cover and protect their vehicles, while at the same time, roofs and the exteriors of homes also suffered from the powerful impact of the hail. Many houses reported broken tiles and water leaks, particularly in the most affected areas. Agricultural regions bore the brunt of the storm, with crops such as wheat, corn, and sunflowers sustaining significant damage from the severity of the hail. Crop loss represents a major economic blow for farmers in the region. Local authorities have begun assessing the damage in the aftermath of the storm, and emergency relief programs are being rolled out to support affected farmers. Residents of Chijari and surrounding areas were left shocked and anxious by the sudden destruction caused by the hailstorm. Local meteorologists emphasize that extreme weather events like this are uncommon in the region, drawing attention to the importance of preparing for such natural events in the future. Hailstorms are not just weather phenomena, but also a reminder that nature's power is beyond our control. From Japan to the USA and Argentina, each place experienced horrifying yet awe-inspiring moments. All we can do is watch and hope that Mother Nature calms her wrath. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.